In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and replace text in LibreOffice Writer quickly and easily. This is one of those simple features that can save you a huge amount of time, especially if you're editing a long document and need to update names, fix repeated words, or swap out old text for new text in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful LibreOffice tips and easy software guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once LibreOffice launches, either create a brand new Writer document or open an existing document that you want to edit. This feature works great in both cases, so whether you're starting fresh or working on a file you already have, you can follow along exactly the same way. Now that your document is open, look at your keyboard and press Ctrl plus H. This shortcut opens the Find and Replace tool in LibreOffice Writer. It's a very useful shortcut to remember because it takes you straight to the search and replacement options without needing to click through menus. Once the Find and Replace window appears, you'll see a box labeled Search For. This is where you type the word or phrase that you want LibreOffice to look for in your document. For example, if you want to change a repeated name, an old term, or a specific phrase, type that exact text into the Search For box. Next, move to the Replace With box. This is where you type the new word or phrase you want to use instead. Make sure you type it carefully, because this is the text that will replace the old one throughout your document. If you only want to change one word to another, this is the place to do it. After both fields are filled in, you have two choices. If you only want to change one result at a time, click Replace. LibreOffice will find the first match and change only that one instance. This is useful when you want to review each change before moving on to the next one. If you already know that every instance should be changed, you can click Replace All instead. This option updates every matching word or phrase in the entire document at once. It's the fastest method when you're sure the replacement should apply everywhere, and it can save a lot of manual editing. As soon as you click Replace or Replace All, the selected words in your document will be updated automatically. You'll see the changes happen right away, and your document will now contain the new text you entered. That's really all there is to it. In just a few simple steps, you can find and replace text in LibreOffice Writer and make edits much faster than changing everything one by one. This is especially helpful for students, office work, reports, letters, and any document that needs quick corrections. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. I post practical software guides that help you save time and work smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.